Okay, Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing here, and here he is, John Barkley, out of retirement. He's recovered his car. He's now lining up to the light here. He's basically just getting ready here. This is something to see. Go get him, John. Drove his car all the way to... his car back in the 60s. Now he's got it back, and now he's here running at the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. John Barkley, let her rip, my friend. Holy red line. Oh. What a disappointment, John. Oh, we'll get him next time. That's why they call it fun runs. All right, this is Mike Marr from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from Trifive Nationals.